as you can see, in this progressive wage model monitoring system, we can see that Johnny Keys, as a security officer, has not went for the course of RTT, so it is not highlighted in green. Okay, and it will show the number of years of experience, and we will also show if there's any projected dates that this officer might be promoted, and the system will actually notify the HR stakeholder if a particular officer has the relevant experience and the courses taken, he'll be recommended for promotion. So we have completed the HR module. We shall now move on into the payroll settings, or the payroll one. So simply click back on the home button. Later you cut away. I don't know why suddenly so like that. Oh, okay, here it comes. Okay, so we can now go to payroll management. Okay, there's a lot of settings to be done. You can see that we can do advanced pay, events, bank gyro settings, deductions, etc. Even a payroll group who can access the pay runs. So I'll just go straight into the payroll because I've already created a preset payroll run for one of my clients. So simply I'll just search backwards. I'll use Bedok Point as my example. It's an August payslip that we have done. Click on the pen icon. So as you can see in this payroll run, this is done for Bedok Point day shift, right? So there are 3 officers inside the day shift payroll run, which is Chia An, Johnny Keys, and Yong Kang. So I'm going to use Johnny Keys as my example. Simply click on the pen icon. Now this will be automatically generated the moment you pull the payroll run. So I'm showing you an edited run already. So at this point in time, previously when Johnny was joining us, his basic salary is supposed to be 1,200. So you can click on the calculate basic, and the daily, hourly, and OT rates will be illustrated out. We will also indicate here 1,200. They'll be on his payslip. It's on an 822 pay scale, and we save this. Once it's successful, you will realize that this is talking about the month of August, and the system would automatically know that it is already 27 days in a month due to the input from MOM. From iREP attendance, we will have 25 days. Simply click on reload result to summary. It will actually pull the latest iREP attendance into the system. If you scroll down, you can see these are all the live attendance taken by Johnny Keys during the month of August. It also indicates very clearly that there are public holidays, leave which he has taken, and other public holidays, and all will be indicated here. If there is an MC, he has taken an MC, the MC will be indicated here as well. Okay, so there's few ways to calculate for Johnny's pay. Now, there's daily basic, hourly basic, and monthly basic. Now, what's the difference? Now, if we say that, oh, there's a contract with Johnny, okay, in the employment contract that says that if Johnny works for 24 days or 25 days or more, the company will award him with the full basic, then simply click on the monthly basic, whereby we don't even talk about the daily prorated pay, we'll just award him full basic pay and only consider the OT hours. However, if there's no such clause in your contract, you can always go by a daily basic prorated salary for Johnny. So which means that he worked 25 days, multiplied by his daily rate, that will be the prorated basic that he will attain, which is $1,153. If he has taken a leave and he has worked on it, we will pay him 1 additional basic day pay. The number of OT hours is 64.67. How did we get this? This was actually from the attendance all the way at the bottom over here, 64 hours and 40 minutes. So we have converted it to 64.67. Now, if you have discussed with Johnny and you realize that he has been coming very early for work sometimes and he doesn't really attain the full OT rate, so you can do an adjustment with him to say that, okay, you only allow 64 hours. That can still be adjusted. If he works on a public holiday, we will pay him both the public holidays he has worked, so we'll pay him 2 additional days. So it's $92. Now, if he has requested to work on a rest day, if it is a staff request, there'll be no additional pay. If it's a company request, it's 1 additional basic day pay. Now, we will move on to the additional payment. in the additional payment, you can simply click on the link over here